Hi everyone, this is Avinash Jha, and yes, I'm finally back on YouTube after 2 years. So, if you have seen my old videos related to Cognizant, internship related videos, some car modifications video, and you are still subscribed and you are watching this video, so thanks a lot for that. It means a lot. A lot of things has changed in my life, and what happened, why I quit YouTube for like almost 2.5 years. So where I have been in the middle, I have changed my two jobs. I left Cognizant. Why I left Cognizant? What I am doing right now. So what is the future of this YouTube channel? Why I am back on YouTube channel? So I am going to explain everything in this video. So if you have not still subscribed, please subscribe. This is for new subscriber if you are seeing this video for the first time. Apart from that, just for an intro, I am Avinash Jha. Earlier I worked in Cognizant. That time I have created a lot of videos related to Cognizant for at freshers. So to be honest, after I lost my father, I was not in a mental state to continue YouTube. I took a pause personally and professionally, but I didn't waste my time there. After leaving Cognizant, I joined a company in Bangalore. So it's a Malaysia-based company related to data and all. So which I'm going to explain everything in my further videos, like how I prepared for switch, how I optimize my Naukri profile. Because in my Naukri profile, if I share my screenshot, you can see like 4,000 like views were there in last 3 months, and it was not a premium account, it was a full basic account. So I did few optimizations to boost my Naukri profile, which I will be going to share in the next videos, like because I will be active here a lot. So after that, I joined a company in Bangalore. There as a senior data engineer, I worked there in a real-time projects. So it was related to AWS data engineering. I worked there. After that, I again started searching for jobs in my nearby area because I wanted to come back to my hometown. So I cleared multiple interviews for MNCs like Infosys, Coforge, Deloitte, and after that I joined a consulting firm as a consultant 3 in data engineering in Kolkata. So it's a US based consulting company from where I'm working right now. So if you want to like get connect with me, you can follow me on LinkedIn. So now let's come back to the main topic, the future of this YouTube channel, or what I'm going to do in this channel again. So as you have seen my older videos, or if you can go and check my older videos, so basically I used to create videos on internship, IT life, and some car modification video. But those videos are not going to continue right from here. I will upload few internship related videos and all, apart from some daily stuffs like random vlogs and all. But apart from that, the main focus would be that now I want to guide you people on how to become a data engineer step by step. Like if you are a fresher, how you can switch in a data company, because data engineering is on boom right now. So I have worked as a data engineer in multiple projects, right? I have cleared multiple interviews. I have upskilled a lot. So I want to share my knowledge, share my views, share my thoughts to all of you right now. So from now onwards, I'm going to basically discuss everything related to data engineering, like how you can prepare for data engineering, which are the topics which are in demand right now related to PySpark, Databricks, AWS, whatever. Apart from that, I'm going to start tutorials on PySpark. So I'm going to basically teach PySpark from basics, because it's been like 3 years I'm working in this technology. So basically I have some idea. I cannot say that I'm best, but I will try to simplify the concepts as simpler as I can. Fresher. So now basically the question may arise, this channel is for whom? So basically this channel is for a fresher who just wants to join any organization, or this channel is for some non-tech people who are in BPO sector or who are in core jobs and they want to switch to data engineering. So basically I'm going to guide everyone through this channel, like how you can prepare, how you can optimize your Naukri profile, how you can use LinkedIn to contact recruiters, how you can like prepare yourself for interviews, because I've given multiple interviews and after the interviews I always had a good feedback. So I have few question banks with me. Some of my friends also got selected in other companies for data engineers, so I have question bank from them as well. So I'm going to share my question interview experience, how you can tackle the questions which you don't know. So everything I'm going to share in this YouTube channel from now onwards. And if you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, so that if whenever I'm uploading the new video, you will get the notification as earliest as possible. This is just the beginning. I'm not just making a video. I want to create a community of future data engineers with you all. So in this video, I just wanted to inform you all that I will be active, I will create videos, and I will try to simplify data engineering as easiest as possible. So if you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, comment in which topic you want the videos, like whether it's PySpark or Azure or Databricks or AWS. In AWS, if you want to create a video, if you want a tutorial on Glue, EC2, Lambda, whatever. So you can just comment down your topics, in which topic you want, whether it's related to big data technologies, Hadoop, Hive, Scoop, whatever it is. Just drop your comments. So basically what I have thought that I would start the playlist of PySpark tutorials from basics. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Bye bye.